Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayanpal. You may have seen many people who somehow manage themselves to understand the English language, but they are unable to speak the English language fluently. So here I am to share my experience that how one can speak English language fluently. It is said by the most people that to become fluent we should practice. So what, is it possible to speak to practice English language without any basic knowledge? So for practicing we should have the English knowledge, and here we can get the English knowledge by reading, writing or listening. So here you may read in newspapers or many English books to get the knowledge, and also you can watch English movies. You can listen carefully. If there is an environment where English is being spoken, then you can observe the English language by hearing. Whenever you feel that now you have got some English knowledge, after that you can practice the English language. So first, to practice you may start to write something, because while writing your mind gets so much time to think, and after that whenever you get chance to speak English language, please don't go far from it. Try to speak it, because unless you speak English language you can't be fluent. And after some times you will realize that now you are able to speak English language. You now can to talk anyone. Then your mind will be able to think the English language directly. You will have not to translate the Hindi into the English. And here I would like to make it clear one thing. Please don't believe them who used to tell that they will make you learn the English language in few days, because it is not a work of few days. It takes so much time. So friends, keep patience. So friends, keep on observing, keep on getting knowledge, and keep on practicing, because practice makes perfect. Thank you.